Hi, so is there anywhere to boost your metabolism after you've already lost weight? So you're losing weight, you're happy where you are, but you know your metabolism is going to slow down because you've lost that weight and you want to exercise or some supplements or something like that to boost your metabolism. And the answer is no, there's no way to boost your metabolism. I'm going to explain why. The number of calories you burn in a day is called your total daily calorie energy expenditure, so TDEE. It consists of your basal metabolic rate, that's your actual metabolism, how many calories you burn a day to stay alive. Your exercise, your fidgeting movements, which we're going to call NEAT, and then the energy you have to use to metabolize food in the first place. When you lose weight, you are carrying around a lot less weight with you. So you are burning less calories with every single step that you take. Every exercise you do burns less calories than it would have done when you're carrying more weight on you. Your body compensates by decreasing your fidgeting and your NEAT when you lost weight to try to decrease how many calories you're burning in a day. And because you're fidgeting and you're blinking and all that is subconscious, there's not really much you can do about that. You can increase your activity, so you definitely can increase exercise. That is one way of technically boosting the number of calories you burn in a day. But as you increase your exercise, your body will decrease your basal metabolic rate. We know from the study in the Hansa tribe, which is a very active tribe in Africa, when they do doubly labeled water studies on them, they burn as many calories as we do in a day, even though they do as much activity in a day that we do in a week, showing that the body is extremely efficient at conserving energy. The body likes to control its environment because it doesn't know what's happening outside of it. So if you were eating 3,000 calories a day and you were able to lose weight by eating 2,000 calories a day, there's nothing you can do to be able to start eating 3,000 calories a day again and not regain some of the weight, unfortunately. Now, people will talk about building muscle mass, but realistically, to build enough muscle mass that it really boosts your metabolic rate, you have to be on like anabolic steroids. You can boost your metabolic rate a little bit by lifting weights, but you're not going to boost it to the degree that it's actually increasing your metabolism, and you're gonna be able to stop watching your diet. So you want to look at this differently. You don't want to say, okay, I lost the weight, so how do I boost my metabolism so I don't regain the weight? Instead, you want to say, I lost weight, how do I control my hunger so I don't overeat so I don't regain the weight? There's not a simple answer for how to decrease your hunger, but in essence, we kind of look at it through a weight loss ecosystem. Let's look at all the different things we can do that manipulate our hunger, and if we fine tune all of them, maybe we can control our hunger just enough so that we can control our diet. So this is kind of a quick summary of our ecosystem. You want to make sure that you're sleeping well, at least 7 hours a night. If you sleep less, you're going to be hungrier. You avoid ultra-processed foods as much as possible because those drive hunger and ruin your satiety signals. You make sure you're eating foods that are healthy for your microbiome, which is the 3 Ps, which is probiotics, prebiotics, and polyphenols. Essentially means high fiber fruits and vegetables, multiple colors, and then something fermented like kefir, Greek yogurts, things like that. Medications if you need them. Removal of weight-gaining meds if you're on blood pressure medications, antihistamines, or antidepressants that are causing weight gain. And then you control any other medical issue that might be causing the weight gain if you can, such as obstructive sleep apnea. After that, you remove temptation away from the house. You increase activity. You need to do low-level activity like walking and high-level activity like resistance training. And then you increase more of the satiety whole foods, which are high in protein and high in fiber. They're also high in bulk whole foods, and they take longer to eat. After you've done that, then you should feel a lot less hungry most of the time, hopefully, and in which case it's easier to do whatever diet of choice that you want that keeps you in a calorie deficit. Okay, I hope that answers your question. I hope that helps.